Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we're in Playa Blanca and we're going to take a walk from the harbour where we are now. Let's give you a quick view of that, guys. And we're going to head off along the promenade past all the restaurants and bars, etc. So let's do that. Let's have a stroll along the prom. So let's just see how long this takes us to get to the beach, shall we? Let's go. You can see it's midday on a Sunday. We're in October, it's the 12th, to be precise. It's about 25 degrees long. Quite nice and pleasant. You'll find a lot of shops around here of various sort of types. You've got jewellery shops, you've got bakers, you've got restaurants, you've got the usual tourist souvenir shops, all the sort of stuff that you'd expect to find in there. Yeah, and I'm always constantly made about how pricey branded clothing and bags and stuff are in these shops. One wonders how they can sell them at just a very, very cheap price. I've got a bad deal. Chicken roll chips and a large beer. £7.95, eh? I'll be happy with that. Fresh oysters. Big paella, chicken wings. You got Spanish tapas there. Next to it, you've got a Italian. Sweeter. Mama Rosa. And headroom. Kamal doesn't come. The panda, which is closed at the moment, comes to Chinese. Fuzz tea. What is fuzz tea? Never tried it. You do will have to some point. Oh, we've got a ferry coming in, guys. You see that? Fast ferry coming in from Lanzarote. And there's another one in distance. Not quite sure if that's coming in or going out. Yeah. And here's our tourist store. Since 1974, this one's been here apparently. Right. Malayanza. Up for the family back home. Right. Another tourist one. Temptations this time. All along here. Yeah. Now, if you've been to Lanzarote before, you know exactly what these stores would stock. What else there? Oh, something good for a meal deal. That's not bad. Hey. You know. Real.
I think it's the one that it's
well, yeah, like,
yeah.
Go. So we're coming up to the town beach now. Ideally located.
Vale, por aquí. Se salió por aquí, salimos a la entrada de la calle de... Sí. ¿A dónde devolvíamos? Sí. Ahí.
Again, you see that sort of restaurant, sort of bars, and yeah.
Paella.
Big restaurant, part of it. Yeah. Because we have no clothes on now, young. It's small. We've got to clear blue sky from gorgeous open as well. Middle of it again later. Yeah. Go on.
Bien. You take forward it. Then run it, right? Go run it. Come on.
Yeah.
That's the one.
Yep. Sandwich. Cheese better. We go around.
Papa?
No. Yeah. I think I just accidentally reviewed the official one that it's the guys. I'm gonna edit it out. It's good. They're wrong. And that's the sandwich spot, guys. There you are. And the harbour in the distance. Stop. Daar die spullen in. Hier gaat het. Nee, zet dan. Again, beach wear. Clothes shop. There you go. The one. That's what he did. I'm just stop this camera now, guy. Because you need this odd flush green. You've never seen this camera flash green before. Don't know what that means. Just stop this. We'll see what happens. Now this could be the end of the video. This camera's telling me it's full of it. Okay, let's make it. So in case it is, hope you've enjoyed this video. And thanks for watching.